Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with Power BI and found yourself frustrated when scrolling through long lists in your slicers, this tutorial is going to be a game changer. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to add a search bar to your Power BI slicer. By the end of this video, you'll be able to quickly filter your data with ease, making your reports far more interactive and user-friendly. So let's jump right in and see just how simple it is to enable search functionality in your Power BI slicers. First things first, let's open up Power BI. Take a moment to launch the app and load your report, or just start a fresh one with a sample dataset. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, you can follow along with any dataset you have. Now, to set the stage for our demonstration, we're going to create a slicer. This is one of the most useful visuals in Power BI because everything starts with filtering your data, whether it's sales data, employee lists, or even just categories of products. To create your slicer, look over to your Fields pane and pick a field that would make sense to filter on. Let's use Name for this example. Click on Name to highlight it, and then head to the Visualizations pane, which is that cluster of icons usually on the right side. Find the one that looks like a little filter or funnel. That's your slicer. With Name selected, click that slicer icon. Instantly, you'll see a new visual pop up on your canvas populating with all the names from your data. Right now, if you have a long list of names, you'll have to scroll up and down to find what you need, and that can get old fast. Here, where the real magic happens to streamline this process. Look at the top right corner of your new slicer visual. You'll spot a set of 3 little dots. That's the More Options menu. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. Sometimes it can blend in with the rest of the interface, so take your time to spot it. Once you click, you'll see a small drop-down appear. One of the options here is Search. Click that, and just like that, a search bar appears at the top of your slicer. That's it, you've now enabled search functionality for your Power BI slicer. Now, instead of hunting through an endless list, you or your report users can simply start typing in the name or item you're looking for, and the list will instantly filter down. This is especially handy if you're sharing reports with teams who want to quickly zero in on specifics without all the scrolling. If you don't immediately see the search bar, don't worry. It sometimes takes a second to appear, especially with larger datasets. And there you have it, a small tweak with a big impact on the usability of your Power BI reports. If this saved you some time or helped you improve your dashboard, let me know with a thumbs up below. Got questions, or maybe you ran into a hiccup along the way? Just drop your questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more tips to make your data amazing, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that bell for more easy-to-follow Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.